I'm going to show you some of this morning's headlines. The Portland Press-Herald is defying an unusual order by a judge. It had to do with a court hearing involving prominent criminal defense attorney Anthony Sinay. He was facing a domestic assault charge as well as 2 felonies. Sinay persuaded the judge to order the media not to report what he or any witnesses said in court, but the Portland Press-Herald did not comply. It is reporting details of the hearing, saying the judge's order is a clear violation of the First Amendment. On Monday, Sinay was convicted of 2 misdemeanor charges as part of a plea agreement.
The Morning Call says survivalist Eric Freen was ordered to stand trial on charges of killing a Pennsylvania state trooper and wounding another. Freen was in court for a preliminary hearing yesterday. Prosecutors showed surveillance video from the deadly ambush back in September. Freen was on the run for 48 days. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty.
The St. Louis Post-Dispatch says a grand jury member is suing for the right to speak publicly about the Michael Brown case. The unnamed juror wants to challenge the impression the entire panel agreed to exonerate Officer Darren Wilson. Missouri law bars jurors from discussing the case. The juror accuses the prosecutor of misrepresenting the jury to the public.
The Washington Post says Petco will no longer sell dog and cat treats from China. They could be a cause of 1,000 dog deaths in the U.S. since 2007. Rival PetSmart also plans to pull them. The FDA received thousands of complaints after animals ate Chinese jerky or rawhide. Initial tests have not yet confirmed a connection.
The Philadelphia Inquirer looks at the rush for housing during Pope Francis' first U.S. trip in September. Thousands of visitors are expected from around the world. Now, some owners are really hoping to cash in on this. They're offering to host visitors for up to $15,000 for the week. Hope it's a nice house. Others are opening their homes for free.
And the Wall Street Journal says a financial advisor at Morgan Stanley was fired for allegedly stealing client information and trying to sell it online. The employee is accused of swiping data on 350,000 clients. Information on 900 of them was posted online briefly last month. Well, it included account names and numbers and asset values. Morgan Stanley says there's no evidence the clients were financially harmed by the leak.